Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add Klarna to the big cartel. First of all, go to Settings. Then, click on Payments and expand the Online Payment Methods section. Then click on Setup right next to Klarna Payments. After that, navigate to Klarna's Production Merchant Portal and select On-Site Messaging. Now select your merchant ID and click on Continue. Under Placements, scroll down until you find the messaging you would like to add to your site. Refer to the official documentation of both Klarna and Big Cartel for the most accurate and up-to-date information. If you encounter any issues, reach out to the customer support teams of both Klarna and Big Cartel for assistance. E-commerce platforms and payment gateways often update their features and integrations, so staying informed about changes is crucial. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.